Hello everyone, my name is Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today topic is prospectus, company's prospectus. Prospectus means any document describe or issue as an prospectus and including any notice, circular, advertisement and other document invite the deposit from a public for invite a offering from a public from subscription or purchase any share in debenture of a body and corporation. Clearly, this prospectus is the document to invite to public to subscribe to share capital or debenture of a company. Company's prospectus is releasing by company to inform that the public and investor to various securities that are available. These documents describe about mutual funds, bonds, stocks, other forms of investment offered by the company. A prospectus is generally accompanied by basic performance of finance information about the company. Which company are required to issue a prospectus? Every publicly listed company who interested to offer share and debenture of a company to the public. Second one, every private company who is sensitive of the to private company and convert into a public company and intend of the offer of the debenture of the company of the public. Objective of a prospectus: first one, to invite the public to invest the in share and debenture of a company. Second, conditional of the public inviting invest to share and debenture. Third one, declaration about the director of the company are able to of condition state in a prospectus. Next, content of a prospectus. According to the Company Act 1956 and 2013, mainly content in prospectus. First one, main objective of company and signature of the memorandum of association. This including that objective of a company in start of a memorandum of association, signatory and memorandum with the name, address, numbers of shareholders and by them. Second one, share capital. Following the information must be given the respective of share capital, authorized capital, size of present of issue, paid up capital, present capital, and debenture capital. Third one, in present issues, terms of payment, right for instruments, availability, forms, prospectus mode be payments, any special tax benefit. Fourth one, any provision in the article related to the remuneration of the director and chief executive. Fifth one, particular of the present and the proposed director and chief managerial personals. Managerial functions means managerial director and other document including by the nominees director and number of the qualification of share. Sixth one, the amount of minimum subscriptions, paying in the initial commercial expenses, paying in the interest due to loan expenses and working capital. Seventh one, opening of the subscription list. The date of a opening of the subscription list cannot be before of the beginning of the 50 day after the issue of the prospectus. Eighth one, application and allotment of money. The prospectus of a company must mention an application and allotment of money from the acquire of the company of shares. 9 one, number and descriptive amount of the share capital issue within of 2 predict an year along with a amount of premium and discount. 10, name of underwriter any alone with the opinion and director of the finance sounding of the हमारी underwriting content of the prospectus.